a private, peaceful retreat from your daily occurrences, a place that is calm, a place to rest your mind and soul.
Start your journey of effortless exclusive living.
Welcome to a sanctuary where timeless luxury meets sophisticated Balinese style nestled in lush nature. Discover a villa designed not only for living, but for an exquisite lifestyle. Perfectly positioned for capital gain, is a haven coveted by expatriates and discerning locals alike. Join us as we unveil a residence where every detail whispers elegance and every moment promises serenity.
This villa comes with fully furnished design concept by Studio Anso, Indonesian architecture firms whose global reputation for the combination of genius lobby concept and their innovative design in tropical environment.
Imagine having all of your family members in one place where all your daily worries dissipates into a sense of peace.
These homes feature open, inviting spaces with natural elements and serene colors. The land size is 472.5 square meters and the building size is 400 square meters with a 4+1 bedroom. Send us a message for more information.
This is the place where life, work, and leisure converge seamlessly.